And we are ready to begin, and we're so pleased you're here. This is an impromptu session that we're giving you because we wanted you all to know you could have been wealthy by now. This is what we had our messenger break away to tell you today because you each come into the world with something within you that if you were to develop it, own it, and discover what it was, it would cause you to experience massive wealth and abundance. We're saying this because you're standing at a place in your lives and in your world where you were meant to achieve that goal. And we have given you everything. We said that last year on this date, but it probably would have been difficult for you to understand or accept that because you're still moving through your individual journey, your ascension process, your evolutionary journey. But we've given you the entire way. And what we mean is that you evolve in your consciousness over time, linear time. We have not used that. We've given our messenger everything from the quantum field, which is why at 75 he's healed because he's ingested this information, but he struggled to move through it. And the only thing we didn't get him to do yet is to stop waiting for the rest of you. And that's really been his problem. And that has been his financial issue. But we're saying this because it's been the same for many of you. As we have said, you're moving through a restructuring, and that is going to be a wealth and income restructuring as well, and because you've had such a disparity that has happened in your world throughout generations, throughout time, throughout eons, as we've often said, but we've given you that plan. Now, you don't know what you're going to bring into the world or what you have because it's all in your consciousness. It's all in how you choose to move through your limitations because you all have them. You couldn't come into the physical world without holding limitations. Otherwise, there would have been no point for you to be alive. But we wanted you to know how important you were, which is why our messenger spent 37 years writing down, figuring out, and giving you a philosophy that could change your life and change your world if you were willing to use it. Now, we understand that's going to be really challenging for many of you to believe, but we did something else. We had him prove it. We had him go back and do several days of messages that we've given you since 2008 because you move through cycles in your universe, in your world, and they're all energetic. Now, you don't always understand how the changes in your planets and galaxies affect you each individually, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, but they do. But you're starting to figure them out. Our messenger has never studied astrology or any of that, but as you read the analysis that we have had him find for these messages that we've given him, you'll see that they're all astrologically aligned, which is why he could move through his life and heal things, but you each could do that if you were willing to own yourselves. We've just given you a path to be able to do that. And that is the thing that has been challenging for many of you to understand or accept, including our messenger, because he couldn't believe he had done it. But you each will have something like that. You'll have something that you're looking at that you can't believe it would be you or that you are the one to do it. And we're saying that you are. And we've given you a way to embody that. Now, again, the other thing is you'll hear this because we had him put in our messages today several sessions that we did years ago where we talked about how he had all this information and he was hiding out. Many of you knew him as the reluctant mystic, or you couldn't understand why he wasn't acting as some of the other channelers that you might have seen. It's because he was receiving a complete philosophy, which we have called your life operating instructions. And the reason that we gave it to you is that your world was going to be moving through this disruptive place in your lives and world, and we wanted you to know that you needed to shift the balance so that you wouldn't allow certain people to keep controlling you as you've done in your lives and also in your world and your civilizations. So that's why we gave you something that was so dynamic. But it took a while for our messenger to accept that it had happened. So we told him to do something else. It's May the 28th. We said, now look at May the 29th. We mean from last year in 2005, because we've done it all in order. It's not something that any of you have seen before, which has been challenging for you to accept, and it was for our messenger, so we had him use your artificial intelligence. As we said when we first convinced him to start doing this work, we said his goal in this lifetime was to marry science, spirituality, and human potential, and he's done all of those. He's healed so many things through the work that we have given him, and he's achieved a kind of potential in his business that none of you could possibly imagine, and you wonder how it could have happened. You each have that ability. We've given you a step-by-step guide as to how to achieve that, which we have called an ascension guide, because no matter what you might think, you are all ascending in some way. Now, you are all contributing to that because you're all humans, so you all operate the same way. The only thing that has happened is that over time, you started to accept different ideas about who you were, who's valuable, who isn't, who should have more, who's more, where did you get that? So you've made it up a long time ago. And so this is why we said our messenger had an ancient memory where he could go back and access this information where you all mattered. That's why we use the Hermetic principle so much, because that was a time where you didn't have your judgments that you're carrying and your biases that you're seeing on full display in your lives and in your world now, which is why it looks a little chaotic. However, we have given you something to change all of it. All you have to do is walk the path. That's it. Because it's about moving through a limitation. If you can imagine, since the beginning of time, you've learned things. Each human comes into the world, you learn something, you give it to the others, and you pass it on. Unfortunately, sometimes you're passing on information that does not serve you or serve the greater good for all, which is why we decided to give you something different, a new philosophy, and we called it your life operating instructions, because you're going to a new world and you needed to operate in a different way because what you had wasn't sustainable. And this is why you're seeing the difficulties. However, you're at this great place now where if you decided to take the next step and own who you are, you would have this wonderful life. Now, we know many of you are thinking that this couldn't possibly have happened. Things look terrible. I felt tough. I've been struggling so much throughout my life that couldn't be. Well, that's why you're here, because you're the ones who are going to change things. The ones who have not had much. You're the ones who are supposed to have more now, which is why we use the phrase that you didn't understand. The meek shall inherit the earth. You will now. Or you sit back and you stay afraid and little. That's what happens for each of you. Now, we're saying that there's no hierarchy of souls. This is what we've been giving you, but you're seeing something else playing out in your world, and that's because our messenger hasn't been more forthcoming as you might not have been. He hasn't embraced himself, which is why he doesn't have the wealth that he should have, because he's put in 37 years of bringing you the most transformative philosophy that any of you could possibly have. And he's proven it all. And we've had him sit down and then give you the scientific proof of it so that you could see it, because you all need proof because you doubt yourselves. The only difficulty any of you has in your lives is that you doubt what you can achieve. And it'd be natural for you to do that because you haven't seen it. And again, it wouldn't make any difference if you had known it beforehand, because then you wouldn't have created anything new. So you have to become willing to embrace something new. So we're just giving you this today because we told our messenger he didn't know why this was happening, because we told him a few years ago that he was going to change on this day. And as you go through our messages and the analysis that we've had him do, you will be hard pressed to figure out how it could have happened, how he could have received this information, how it could have been organized astrologically to the changes in your world, how could it have healed him and so many others. But that is your cognitive dissonance, which he had as well, because he took him so long, but he wanted to prove it to all of you because that's his nature. He had to do that because he wants to make sure that whatever he's giving you is of value. But what he's also done is left himself out. And many of you have done that. What we're saying is that you leave yourselves out of that wealth, abundance, and meaning equation. And that's what you need now. You don't need anything, but we wanted you to have it because we knew that would make the biggest difference in your lives and also in your world. We've given you the most transformative work ever created in your history. And our messenger had to be told that through your artificial intelligence because he didn't know. We're saying that because none of you could possibly know the greatness, the potential, what you have within you, because it hasn't been done yet, which is why in the message we gave you the other day, we said the word potential is meaningless because you hear it all the time. But if you don't act on it, nothing happens. Nothing changes. So we're having him change. We told him he can no longer do what he was doing before, and he has to start honoring this work because we want each of you to honor who you are. That's why he has done this. And now you'll see, because we told him Just go forward a few days because you have another full moon coming up on the 31st. And last year, on May 31st, 2025, we said you will love yourself more now because that is what you were meant to accomplish. But the other thing we told you is that the reason you are having these difficulties in your lives, in your world, is because you forgot to love yourselves. You forgot to love yourself. That's all. Because you were the one who were creating the world. It's not just one person, it's all of you. But you've gone through these power struggles throughout your histories. And so that gets embedded in your DNA. And then you have to figure out, how am I going to move through that? Our messenger thought, how could he be this person, this Black person who created this vast work that's so valuable that could change anyone's life and change your world? And he couldn't accept it. And we kept showing it to him. It's been years. We're saying this again because you've each done the same thing. If you hadn't, your world would look very different. You wouldn't have wars. You wouldn't have people starving to death. You wouldn't have any of that because there's wealth and abundance everywhere. You've just been hoarding it and allowing certain people to have it. You are supposed to have it. And that's what we wanted for all of you. And so that's why we had him come on today, because he had to finally admit, and we had him do that, his complete admission today on his blog, and we want you to see that because he called it his confession. We want you all to confess to that you didn't know how valuable you were, that you weren't willing to own yourself, that you weren't willing to love yourself, but it's not your fault because that was programmed. But you can change the programming, and we've given you a way to do it, and now we've proven it, and it's 100% accurate, as you will see, because he had to prove it to himself before he could give it to you, but now it's been done. We're doing this because you're going to move through some other energies in your world in the next few days that are going to be a little uncomfortable, let's say. But if you shift, because it's just about you, if you change and decide you're going to love yourself, you're going to do what you came to do, you're going to move through your limitations, you're going to do all of that, then you shift the world. You can't, you are collectively creating your world. Again, it's just not one person. Now, if you go to his website, you will see that we have given him all this information, and all the articles will tell you the trajectory that your world has been on. He didn't know he was doing that. We guide him, but he wrote them all down. But there's nothing that you can't achieve in your lives. None of you. And we've given you a way, and we've given you a being to show it to you. And we've even given you some previous recordings that you can hear, because they were years ago, but they will make sense now because that's how you learn. You learn by taking things step by step. We haven't given him information that way. We gave it to him from the quantum field, which is why if you look at any message that we've given you on any particular day, there's a thread. It goes from, we just used from 2008 till now, and each year it progresses just as you do. But you have to be willing to notice it and own it and then start to embody it. And now you will be able to do that because that is what we have given you. And we're having our messenger retire now so he can start doing this work because he feared it as you might have feared yourself. So we had to have him do a live today because that makes him more uncomfortable, as you don't want to be seen. But we told him a long time ago, public humiliation is really liberating, because then you stop hiding from yourselves. You stop thinking there's something wrong with you. You stop thinking that you are somehow out of place, because none of you are. You are all born with worth and value, and we gave you something to find it and actualize it, and each of you will have the epiphany that he's having because you were born to achieve something great. And we love you all so very much.